Washoe County corruption. Washoe County insurance denial. Oath of office. Official oath. Miriam Canderas. Today, March 24th, 2025, received this email from Great American Insurance Group, Fidelity and Crime Division. Sent email both myself and Mr. Belfort. Insured Washoe County. Okay, so here we go. They're addressing us. As you know, on multiple prior occasions, we have addressed the fact that crime protection policy for public entities, the policy does not appear to be applicable in any way to the issues you keep presenting. Well, you've never even spoke to us or sent us anything, so whoever's writing this, you're wrong about that. You never contacted us about anything. Okay, so as you know, you have copied us on approximately 30 emails associated with your issue since we first received notice of the matter in August 2024. Thank you for your acknowledgement, okay, that you received the 30, what do they say here? 30 emails and videos of the crimes that Washoe County is committing. Thank you for your knowledge. Most of the subsequent emails have copied various other third parties, including insurers, state and county officials, as well as others. That's correct, because it's a conspiracy. We write now to respond to your most recent email, which was only sent to Great American Insurance Company, Great American, on March 19th, 2025. We write one final time regarding your emails and the policy that Great American issued to Washoe County insured. Okay, one final time, you've never even contacted us. You're out of your minds. This is incorrect. You're dishonest. Show me the proof where you contacted us. I save everything. That's a false claim. As stated previously, it is our understanding that you're attempting to state certain employees insured committed dishonest acts against you. The information provided to date indicates that you apparently seek to recover policy losses by the insured's employees. Okay, you never even talked to us, so you're making up your own, what you think is what we're talking about here. Okay, so I don't know who's making this up. You'll see no one's even signed it. Please be advised, as repeatedly stated, wrong. You haven't stated anything to us ever. The policy is a first party policy that does not provide any benefits to third parties. I understand that. Okay. Washoe County is a first policy, that's right, but we're whistleblowers, and we're telling you because Washoe County is corrupt, and we want to make sure you're getting the knowledge of their business practices and their extortion racketeering operation that they're committing against Mr. Belfort and myself. Okay, so this, what you say here, this first part, I know what that means. Yeah, we're third parties. We're telling you, we have a right to tell you about the crimes that's been committed by Washoe County and its employees and its agents, actors, and attorneys. Okay, that's why you're being told about it, because they're not doing anything about it for the last 3 years, and we are continually damaged. And does not cover losses sustained by third parties. And the reason we're telling you, because when we file the lawsuits, you're going to send your attorneys in there to protect them. Okay, so we're giving you notice of what's going on. I have 33 exhibits that I'm testifying to, and Mr. Belfort has another additional 33 plus documents to testify to. We're still doing investigation. Nor can third parties make a claim. We made a claim on the county. Okay, we've made a claim against the county for $5 million each, because this stuff is not stopping, and Washoe County refuses to stop and correct. According as previously noted, you haven't noted anything to us. We will not be maintaining an open file. This needs to go to the Department of Insurance, Nevada. Okay, they need to look into your business practices. We will not be maintaining an open file. Okay, that's ridiculous. We never even talked to any of you people. Again, we direct your attention to the following provision in the policy. Okay, I don't care about all that. You can look at all this stuff you want. Name insured. Yeah, Washoe County, we're whistleblowers, and we're telling the insurance the crimes that they're committing. And this is the policy that was given to us from Washoe County, from the risk management. And we have a 45-minute video with Doreen Ertel of risk management. It's posted on our website, Wilcox Ranch POA Exposed, 45 minutes long. They provided us with this. So we just want to make sure you're being told. This claim up here about we will not be maintaining an open file, that's ridiculous. Okay? That's typical. And telling you all this nonsense here. They haven't even talked to us once. This will be our last response to you regarding this matter. Okay, well, we'll see you in court when we go to quiet title. Washoe County is the only party that can bring a claim given the policy is for its benefit only. That's correct. Okay, we're going to sue Washoe County. That's right. And we're telling you up front so you could give it to your attorneys. We ask kindly that you please stop sending, copying, or addressing graded mail otherwise or further occurs. No. We're going to tell it all. We're whistleblowers. Crimes are being committed by Washoe County and co-actors. Great American continues to reserve all available rights under the terms of the policy at law and equity. Yeah, well, I reserve all my rights. You are leaning on my property title rights, causing damage. Okay, so whoever sent this, you can see they don't even sign it. Put one of your attorneys to sign this on there, so we know who we're dealing with. Okay, and then we'll go check their oath of office. This needs to go to the Department of Insurance, Nevada. Okay, this company right here, they're corrupt. You never even talked to us. So this is all bullshit. Let's go down here. Okay, here's the first claim that Belfort made when they started attacking him. After they told him that he had 2 more extensions on his building permits, he had to stop basically because he found out all the fraud on his title. We can't even get trucks up in there to do any work. And they're refusing to do anything about it. You got Washoe County employees for the GID. Everybody's involved in this. And it's just one violation after another. We're going to see. There's some upcoming stuff. We're going to see how Washoe County acts. That's why these claims are staked. We got an upcoming court case coming here for Mr. Belfort. We're going to see how rights are protected. That's why these are staked in there. A continual violation of due process. And then taxing without representation, assessing our taxes on the road for the GID, who Kathy Glauther worked for. And she was a former vice president for Wilcox Ranch Property Owners Association. She did some nefarious acts in there. I have all the documents and the emails. Co-acting with Gail Agnes Kern. So Belfort made this first thing here on June 11th, 2024. Take notice, this communication is a formal reservation of rights to any and all liability insurance bond policy limits covering malfeasance by Washoe County employees. Note, Washoe County has failed to provide this information despite numerous documented attempts as of this date. We have several videos in the beginning of this channel where Mr. Belfort was attempting to get the insurance information, and he must have went down there 3 or 4 times. We have all the videos, and he finally got it, and this is what they provided to him. Okay? Concerning warning letter WVIOPLA 24-00 or 0100 and Washoe County Building and Planning Department, refusing to renew my permits without valid good cause. The content of my claim is as follows. Oppression under the color of office, NRS 197.200, extortion, Washoe County employees participating in a criminal enterprise, discrimination, selective enforcement, making false and misleading statements, Washoe County allowing fraudulent liens to be placed on title to my property, public corruption, Gail Agnes Kern putting liens on everybody's property and then refusing to talk to us, an attorney, former president of Washoe County Bar, Public corruption, NRS 199, failure of due process, failure to investigate, verified criminal claims, dereliction of duty to report criminal acts not limiting. So he state this. Then it says, state the negligence or wrongful acts of Washoe County or Washoe County employees which you believe are responsible for your damage. Former county employee Kathy Gladner, Palomino GID. Local attorneys Gail A. Kern Esquire. City of Reno employee Jeffrey Earl Hill, Reno Sewer. Brian Farmer, Washoe County Code Enforcement, under direction of his supervisor Kevin Cavina Costa et al., conspired with Wilcox Ranch property owner James Lee Schreck to file false complaints, threats of liens. And back to Schreck, he admitted in public hearing he's the one that turned Mr. Belfort in, when he had 2 more extensions they relied on to file false complaints, threats of liens on my property, demands for me to vacate my property, rendering me homeless. Additionally, County Building and Planning Sarah Harrell and Supervisor Kelly Mullen delayed responding to my request for renewal of my building permits for almost 30 days and now arbitrarily refusing to renew my 2 remaining extension that was represented to me in writing by Washoe County. State name and address, phone number, witnesses, Joshua Swanson, Detective, Washoe County Sheriff's Office. I believe this is the initial sheriff's report that I did about 3+ years ago to the sheriff's department when I found what looked to me like embezzlement inside Wilcox Ranch when I got the books and records committed by the former officers, Robert and Natalie Nearing and Vice President Kathy Glather, who works for Washoe County. See Criminal Claims by Jeffrey Merritt Wilson. That's me. I've already shown videos on that. And I'm testifying to all the exhibits. I'm on number 6 now. Number 6 is coming up. I have 33 of them. There's about 1,500 pages to go through. Okay, at this time, these were all the cases that we had. Now it's double that size. Describe property damage, title damage. Say there's a problem with title, and then Washoe County continues to attack him. Liens on the property by attorneys. Oppression, attorneys, Washoe County. He goes down here. So on this one, I guess he just reserved the rights of the policy because, you know, he was unsure what the policy was, but this is what they provided him. So he just reserved the rights to the policy limit, 7/16/24. Okay, so that then now there's a new one that was filed on March 5th. They just started violating rights left and right. Okay, enough is enough. Since we bought our properties in 2017, we've been attacked ever since. The properties are defective. They're up there doing subdivisions and profiting and stomping on our rights. So we did this on March 5th, 2025. Once we got the insurance in for the policies, okay, we reserved the rights to these properties right here, 300 Powwow Springs Road, 405 Wilcox Ranch Road. Okay, and there's a land pat numbers, and they're trespassing on our titles. And then currently they're attacking Mr. Belfort for it. So they're trespassing. They refuse to look into these matters. You know, the DA hasn't contacted nobody. They're covering this up for personal, whatever, some kind of gain, profits. I don't know what's going on. They refuse to talk. Breach of trust. Here's all the case numbers now. We even have a federal case down here. Here it is, right? Federal case 20,